Hi, my name is Chesha Tsayang. I am 15 years old and I just love singing. Like, there is no day that passes by that I don't just sing at least one chorus of a song. And I want to see where my voice can take me in this world because I like taking opportunity that is thrown at me and taking advantage of it. So here I am in Gemstone. I've been walking in the same way as I did, and missing out the cracks in the pavement, and tutting my heel and strutting my feet. Is there anything I could do for you, dear? Is there anyone I could call? No one, thank you, please, madam. I ain't lost, just wondering. Run my hometown, memories are fresh. Run my hometown, ooh, the people I've met are the wonders of my world, are the wonders of my world, are the wonders of this world, are the wonders of my. I like it in the city when the air is so thick and opaque. I love it to see everybody in short skirts, shorts, and shades. I like it in the city when two worlds collide. You get the people in the government, everybody taking different sides. Shows that we ain't gonna stand it, shows that we are united, shows that we ain't gonna take it. Shows that we ain't gonna stand it, shows that we are united. Run my